Did you know that watercress has more calcium than milk and more vitamin C than oranges? It's basically a little green powerhouse. Watercress has been gaining popularity as a superfood, and for good reason. This leafy green has been around for centuries, with ancient Greeks and Romans using it for its medicinal properties. Today, it's being touted as one of the healthiest foods you can add to your diet. Historically, watercress has been used in traditional medicine to treat a range of ailments, from digestive issues to skin problems. It's also been a popular ingredient in salads and soups. Lately, it's been getting attention in health food circles for its impressive nutritional profile. Watercress is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and iron. It's also low in calories and rich in antioxidants. Some studies suggest that watercress may have anti-inflammatory properties and even help protect against certain types of cancer. The vitamin C in watercress can help boost your immune system, while the vitamin A can help support healthy vision and skin. The antioxidants in watercress may also help protect against cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Additionally, watercress contains a group of compounds called glucosinolates, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Watercress is also rich in fiber, which can help support healthy digestion. What makes watercress stand out from other leafy greens is its nutrient density. It's one of the richest sources of vitamin C, and it's also a good source of calcium. In terms of health benefits, watercress is comparable to other leafy greens like kale and spinach, but it has a few unique advantages. For example, watercress is lower in oxalates than spinach, making it a better choice for people with kidney stones. According to nutritionists, incorporating watercress into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating watercress daily can help reduce the risk of certain cancers. As registered dietitian Sarah Johnson notes, watercress is a nutritional powerhouse that can add a boost of vitamins and minerals to any meal. In conclusion, watercress is a superfood that deserves attention. Its rich nutritional profile and potential disease-fighting properties make it a great addition to a balanced diet. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried watercress before? What are your favorite ways to incorporate it into your meals? Let us know in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about superfoods, check out our video on the benefits of chia seeds.